Let's firstly talk about the general specifications of OnePlus 6. Operating system will be Android 8.0 Oreo, and it will be available in 4 colors: slate gray, gold, white and black. Secondly, let's talk about the display of OnePlus 6. 5.8 inches optic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Pixel density 401 pixels per inch. And some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, gyroscope, compass, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of OnePlus 6. Processor is going to be 2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, whereas the RAM will be 8 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of OnePlus 6. Rear camera will be dual cameras of B20 megapixel with 2K recording, and front camera will of 16 megapixel with dual tone LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of OnePlus 6. The internally available storage will be 256 GB and is non-expandable. 6. At last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 3900 mAh non-removable. Moving forward now we shall discuss the price and release date of OnePlus 6. The expected price is $600 United States dollars, that is 39,000 Indian rupees. And the release date shall be around ending of 2018.